I wanted to prove to every single one, and mainly men, that women are able to be in decision-making and leadership positions such as any human being on this earth. Hi, I am Manal Makkieh, the founder and director of Kayani for Palestinian Females Project. Kayani is a youth-led initiative that was established in 2019 with the aim of amplifying the voices of Palestinian women who are currently living in the MENA region, mainly in Lebanon and Palestine. In addition to supporting women, I had many reasons behind coming up with this initiative, so let me share that with you. First, I wanted to prove to every single one, and mainly men, that women are able to be in decision-making and leadership positions such as any human being on this earth. Second, I wanted to tell our political leaders that youth, yes, youth, are able to lead the change through promoting peace building and eradicating violent extremism. Today, our MENA region is encountering an uncertain phase that urge us, mainly the young people, to come up with our own initiatives and fight the uncertainties, mainly the political tensions and discrimination and so on. So that's why I'm here today. I'm here to urge you, trigger you, and enthuse you from the bottom of my heart to stand up in solidarity together and lead this change. Thank you.